Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to take you through how to install VS Code on your Chromebook using Linux Tools. And I know I've done this in a previous video, but in this video I'm just going to take my time and explain and go through the various steps VS Code has on their official website. So I have listed down the important steps here. So these are the steps I picked up from VS Code's official website. I'm going to take you through these steps step by step. So without wasting much time, let's just dive straight in. So first off, open your terminal. So your terminal and start a new session. So the first thing we need to do is we need to update our list of packages and install the gnome-keyring package, a dependency. So let's just do it. So we have sudo apt-get and update. So these instructions shouldn't take long to execute. Yes, so update is done. And the next one is sudo apt-get install gnome-keyring. So sudo apt so this should install gnome-keyring, and depending on my internet connection, this should be done in a jiffy. So after this is done, the next instruction is to check our CPU architecture. So we have basically two. We have Intel and AMD. That is AMD 64, and we have ARM-based processors too, which is ARM-based processors. Right, so my version of the CPU is an ARM-based processor, but to check, let's just hit this into the terminal and see what we get. So we have dpkg print architecture, right? So as you can see here, mine is ARM64. So if you're using an Intel based Chromebook or an AMD based Chromebook, your processor should be AMD 64. Okay, so now that we have this information, let's go to the official VS Code site and download our version of VS Code. Okay, so as you can see here, I've listed the right versions to download, and I'll make this document available or this text available in the description, so just look out. So let's go to VS Code. And if you're wondering what extension this is, it's called Daily Dev. You can get it in the Google Web Store. So we have VS Code. So go to the download page. So in the download page, you can see down here we have .deb. So that's the Debian version. And basically Linux on Chrome is mostly Debian, or as far as I've seen, it's Debian. And if you remember correctly, my version of the CPU was an ARM64, so I'm downloading the ARM64 version of the Debian package. Okay, so let's just download it. So this download will take some time to complete. I just installed my VS Code version here, so I'm going to open it. So this is my .deb file, an ARM64.deb file. Let's just install it. So the installation should be done in about a few minutes. So it's still installing. So this should be done in a bit. But okay, so it's done installing, and now I have VS Code on my system. So let's quickly look for VS Code here. So I can just search for VS Code. It's here, Visual Studio Code. Just click on it, and it opens up VS Code, right? So now I have VS Code on my system. As you would expect, I can write code, create files, and execute JavaScript for now. Thank you for watching. To get up to date on how to install Node.js on your Chromebook and other applications and tools, please stay tuned and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.